As a DIYer who doesn't have a full-time workshop, pairing a Bora Centipede with a pre-made tabletop to use as your workbench can help you get your projects done faster and easier. Hi, it's Dave from Upgrade Your Home DIY, and I recently picked up the Home Depot exclusive version of the 2-foot by 4-foot Bora Centipede workbench support. And in this video, I'm going to show you why I think pairing it with a pre-made tabletop can be a game changer for those of us who do DIY in our garage because we don't have a full-time workshop. If you're not familiar with this workbench support, it is a compact support that is easy to set up and quick to collapse, so you spend more time on your project. It supports 2,500 pounds, which is way more than I'll ever put on it, because it stores in a compact form and even comes with a storage bag. It doesn't take up much space when you aren't using it. The top comes separate from the support. Now, Bora does sell a top that fits the exact size of this 2-foot by 4-foot support. I suggest you consider using a pre-made tabletop. This is one I've had for over 30 years. It's 30 inches by 60 inches. So it fits nicely on the top of this 2-foot by 4-foot support. And why throw something out when you can reuse it? I got mine a long time ago. But you can still find these tabletops at Home Depot or other stores. In the description down below, I've got a link to a tabletop from Amazon that's not quite this big, but almost as big. Here are 6 reasons I think this option is great for garage DIYers like us. First, it is already a size that fits well on the support, so you don't have to cut a larger board down to size. Second, it hangs over a few inches on each side, leaving you room for clamping work to the top. Third, it is already finished on the top, so you don't have to spend time finishing raw wood to protect it. Fourth, it is flat on top, so you don't have to worry about plywood that is often warped or cupped. Fifth, these tops are typically 3/4 to 1 inch thick, so it's a solid top that won't bend and it will support heavy items like a miter saw. And sixth, it's about the same cost as buying a 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch MDF, but you don't have to cut it down to size and you don't have to finish it to protect that surface. To hold the tabletop on top of the Centipede, I'm going to use these non-slip discs that come with the Home Depot exclusive version of this 2-foot by 4-foot Bora Centipede. Now, these don't come with the regular version you buy at some other places, and they cost about $17 if you want to buy them separately. But I'm going to use them because they came with the package and they're meant to be the support for a tabletop or whatever top you're using, and because it's a non-slip surface, the top isn't going to slide around on top of the Centipede. These small discs fit into the hole on top of the P-cups and stop the top from sliding on the support. Once the non-slip discs are on the frame, I place the tabletop on the discs and adjust the position so it hangs over evenly on each side and on each end. I also check that it is stable. I can set up to cut wood, set up my miter saw, or use it as an assembly table. Because it is so portable, I can set it up out on the driveway in good weather. I can even set it up inside if I need to. If you're looking for a workbench solution that is compact, easy to set up, and is going to work well for all your DIY home projects, then I suggest you consider pairing a Bora Centipede with a pre-made tabletop. Links to all of the products I've mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you got value from this video, please click that like button so other DIYers, just like you and I, can find this video and have a great workbench solution for their DIY projects. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified of new videos. Thanks again for watching.